What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's time to have some coffee, guys, and wake up and look at these prices. What's up, everybody? Good morning. What's everybody doing? I bought 100 AMC this morning, pre-market. Feeling good about it today. What's everybody buying today? What's up? I appreciate the support. My friend Rasta Stocks, my friend Gusty. Check out his channel, Gusty's Plants. Really nice channel. My man lives over in California. Has a beautiful garden in the back. Got all kind of different plants. Really nice channel. Go over and check him out. Give him some support. Gusty's Plants, all one word. Whew. It's been a good week, guys. It's been a good week for me. How's everybody else doing out there? Hey, Chugi, what's up? What's going on, Chugi, guys? Check out Chugi's channel, too. Very cool dude. Very supportive of my channel. Waiting for the dip. I hear that. I hear that for sure. I'm not buying at 30 cents, but you know, I mean, if this is the support, I mean, it's a good thing and a bad thing. But if she dips back down, I would say near 25 cents. Oh, I'm scooping up a lot more shares, guys. I'm going in. I'm going all in because Saturday's coming. Our man Papa Musk is going to be on the Saturday Night Live, right? You know that's going to be fire right there for the Dogecoin. You know that's going to be some fire. You already know. You know he's going to bring it. I love that man. He is brilliant. But not only that, my man is tapped into social media and how to connect with his community. That man doesn't even have to do commercials on Tesla. The Tesla community is its own commercial. They put so much on social media and so much coverage. They're even flying drones over the new Austin, Texas plant. Elon Musk is brilliant, okay? And don't forget, he's got the boring company, so they're running tunnels under cities. You're probably going to have these tunnels under every major city. This man doesn't even sleep. This man works like 18 hours a day to do this type of stuff. Anyway, I'm a fan. Can you tell? Can you tell, guys? What's going on this morning? Who we got? What's up, Jamar? What's up? Thank you, man. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. I got the Dogecoin chart up because, you know, that's what everybody's going to be watching. They're going to be watching this. They're going to see what's going on. And, man, look at this. We got a nice little bullish price action popping. 7:30 in the morning, 7:35 a.m. I'm streaming from Orlando, Florida. I'm originally from Philadelphia. I'm streaming from Orlando. Where are you guys from? Yes. We're going to be printing money on Saturday, that's for sure, but I'm not cashing out on Saturday. I thank you, Elon, but I'm not cashing out. No. You got to think the future. You got to think beyond next week or next month or next year. You got to think about what this currency is going to be doing in the future. And it's just getting started. She's just getting started, guys. I would load up some more for sure. If it gets down, I would say around anywhere 25, 26. What? Forget it. I'm loading the boat. I'm loading it. Guys, check out some of my videos I did this week. And check out the links in my description. Definitely use some of my links. If you guys aren't in Webull, you can use my Webull link. Look at this beautiful chart setup they got on Webull. If you like Webull, I got Binance. About a week and a half ago. I'm loving it. Those altcoins are going crazy. I grabbed some Doge. I grabbed some Litecoin. I grabbed the BNB coin. I grabbed it. I forget what the price was, but it's up. I mean, I made profit, easy money on the BNB because people are using the BNB to buy this new Safe Moon coin they got. The super micro altcoin. It's actually not a crypto. It's a DeFi token. Anyway, if you check out some of my videos, I have my Binance link. If you want to get, Binance is actually the largest crypto broker. It's Coinbase is not the largest because Binance is in different countries and stuff like that. So if you want that, check that out. I'm buying another boat. Oh man, that sounds sweet. That sounds sweet. Yeah, Jamar, I'm holding, man. You have to have vision for this stuff. You have to have vision. Do you think it's going to stop at $1? No, it's not going to stop at $1. And ironically enough, it may become the people's currency. It may become something more to the effect of Bitcoin. We might not consider it an altcoin. It might get up there with the big dogs like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe not tomorrow or next week, but you have to envision the future of Dogecoin. You have to believe. For sure. Nope. Let it keep dip. I see. It depends how you look at it. If I see a real hard dip, I look at that as a buying opportunity. Doge is red and people start freaking out and panicking. Thank you so much, because I'll buy more. I'm getting paid Friday. What? This is the best deal you got going out here, honestly. Where else are you gonna double your money in such a short amount of time? What else? There's tons of opportunities out there, but finding them is very difficult. This is right in your face, guys. This is like, hello. The power of social media. The power of social media is driving Dogecoin. That is the future of e-commerce. That is the future of e-commerce. You're going to be buying things. You're going to be on Facebook. You see something you want to buy. It's going to be linked to like Shopify or Amazon. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, and all the celebrities are getting behind it. There's a lot of momentum that's going to get behind it. You're starting to see it on TV, like daytime TV, talking about it. It's not a joke coin. It's not a joke coin. This is real money. I swing traded Doge a couple times already. Made $300, $400, $500, $600 at a pop. Like, this is like game changing for a lot of people. That's why it's the people's currency. This is putting money in people's hands that never had this type of power before. Anyway, there's anything else you guys want to look at on this beautiful Weeble chart, let me know, and we can tool around a little bit, see what we can find on here. I also have TradingView. If you guys want to pull up TradingView, we can pull up TradingView, see what's going on TradingView. You can see some ideas on there. You know, see some people that do charting, what their ideas are, how they have the charts drawn out and stuff like that. But right now we're watching Doge. We're watching the Doge. Look, she's holding real solid at this 30-cent mark. I mean, I imagine as we get closer to Saturday, it's going to start really picking up steam. It's really going to have a nice little push. We're getting some catalyst, and if Coinbase adds it, or we get another celebrity on board, or you know, I mean, the possibilities are endless. Different companies are getting on board saying, yeah, we're gonna accept Dogecoin. Think about this. What would be better publicity for your company than to accept some Dogecoin? People are going to come to your e-commerce place, and they're going to spend their Doge. They're going to spend their money. They're going to look around on your e-commerce, and if they're out of Doge, they'll spend their regular money. They might see something else that they want. You're going to bring that traffic. You're going to bring that traffic flow, right? That's what they want. They want eyes on their e-commerce site, on their platform, on their items that they're selling. And a way to get that traffic flow is to start accepting Dogecoin. Then people are going to come and start looking around, say, oh, I got some Dogecoin. Let me see what I could get with it. Let me see if there's something on here that I want to get, right? You got it. It's a marketing, it's a brilliant marketing tool. Look at that little hammer doji. That's a bullish signal right there. See this little guy right here? Let's see if we can make it shaped like a hammer, and see how the next one is a green candle. That's good. But it's all good. I mean, this is going to go up and down and up and down and up and down. I'm not sweating it. Not sweating it. Nope, not at all. Because when you back up to the week or the month, let's take a look. Why is that looking all crazy? Let's see. That's looking all... You can see, I mean, it's got upward momentum. You can just see it's like, pew. Go back on the daily chart. 1 minute. There we go. Here's your 1 minute chart. You can see this order action over here. This is what people are bidding on. And this is what the ask is. The bid and the ask. And it's like a tug of war, back and forth, back and forth. You have to realize you have robots trading this cryptocurrency. It's not just live people trading it. There's computer programs that trade it on a microscopic level, like on a penny scale, like a micro. I don't even understand it fully, but I know basically they have an algorithm that tells the computer or the bot when to buy and sell it, and it just does it all day long. And at the end of the day, whoever's running the bot, maybe they get $100 or $500, whatever it is. It's like micro scalping the Dogecoin. So you got all these bots out there going beep 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 back and forth. So that's where you're seeing like all this tug of war back and forth, up like, you know, back and forth, and that's with stocks too, but especially with crypto, because a lot of people that are into crypto are into computers and the computer nerd stuff and all that stuff, right? So they're using the bots. They're using the bots to do the automated. It's like set it and forget it. You got companies out there like Humble, right? Humble has, you know, they have this service. I think it's $5 a month where you pay that, and then you buy their block of crypto, and then it manages it for you. So that is something to that effect as well. That affects the Dogecoin price. Oh, look at that. Look at that green soldier right there. Look at that. See this, guys? Whoo, she's pushing. She just pumped the 31 cents. More buyers than sellers. That's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Look at that. Woo! It might bump back down, but that's nice to see. People are waking up and they're like, you know what? Maybe the paycheck dropped this morning, and they say, you know what? I'm gonna buy some Dogecoin. I'm gonna buy some Doge. I'm gonna share my link in some of my Discords, so some of my friends out there know that I'm on here. Let me see. Gonna drop it in Lucas Murphy's Discord. I might drop it in the Capitalist Academy Discord. Get some of my friends up in here to, if they're awake. I'm sitting here drinking black coffee because I'm out of milk and creamer. I usually like, you know, creamer and a little bit of sugar, but it's not bad black. I got this German coffee at the Aldi's. The German roast is pretty good. I love Aldi's. I really need to get on a budget. I spend way too much on food, but this is good. This is good. What's everybody doing this morning? I have a haircut scheduled for 9 o'clock. And then I go to work at 2. And then that'll be my day. That will be my day. I'll take the doggos out. Littles and Freedom say, what's up? Guys, if you want to donate to the channel, I always have a PayPal link in most of my video descriptions. If you want to send them some milk bones and treats, and I'll give you and your channel a shout out on my next video. If you do that, just let me know. Let me know that you did it. But I'll give you a shout out for free. Especially if you're a channel that I enjoy. But you don't have to have a channel. I'll give you a shout out if you're just watching. Just say, what's up, Nora? Give me a shout out on your next video. Give me a shout out. It's getting some nice price action here, guys. I bet you by Saturday we're going to be in the 40 range. And then, I don't know. I mean, you always got that group of sellers that are waiting for all the hype to build and the price to build so they can dump. Um, but then once they do that, they're probably getting back in again to swing it again. So I don't get upset about that. Let them do what they do. Let them do what they do. Long term, this thing is solid. I mean, it's only going to get bigger. It's only going to be accepted in more places, and they're going to use it as a marketing tool. I can already see how these puzzle pieces are going to come together for the Doge. I can see it. It has utility. Some of these very new altcoins, I don't feel as though they have a lot of utility, because where can you spend them? What do you do? You go on a NFT website and you buy like a digital picture of a rotating donut? Like, it's stupid. Like, I don't understand why you would want that crap. You know what I mean? But Dogecoin, you can buy Dallas Maverick tickets, for goodness sake. You can go to their store and buy their merchandise. Imagine the different businesses that are going to add it. I don't want an NFT. I can download a free GIF off the internet for free and sit there and watch a picture spin around. Don't be an idiot and buy that. I'm sure it's different. If you're buying baseball cards and stuff like that, NFT official stuff, but if you're buying somebody's BS digital art picture of like stupid stuff, like, I'm not gonna waste my money on that. But there's always people that want it. Oh, nice. Sorrel and herbal tea. Yeah, my boy on here, Gusty's Plants. Check out his channel, Rasta Stocks. He does reviews of different teas every week. He gets subscriptions to different tea companies, and then he takes the teas out of this. They ship you a box in the mail, and they put all these goodies and different teas and stuff in there, and then he takes it out and he'll brew the tea and taste it and tell you if he likes it or not. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. What's up, J-Dub? I love Ethereum. I have a full Ethereum coin. And I bet you that will be oh man, I'm going to be so happy I bought a full coin now, because I would say a year from now it's going to get to where you probably can't even afford a full coin. Well, depending who you are. I'm a working person. I'm a working class person. If you're rich, that's different. But for me, I'm glad I got Ethereum early. I locked in one full share, and I'm not selling that bad boy. I'm going to ride that into the sunset. If Kathy Wood is right about what she's talking about, the value of Bitcoin might add $500,000 per Bitcoin. What? You better get you at least a fraction of a Bitcoin and hold that thing. She's right a lot of times, guys. She's not one of the best for nothing. Anyway, that is my take on it. Just buy cinnamon sticks and oh, that sounds delicious. What's up, Sam? Good morning. Good morning. Sam is on Lucas Murphy's Discord. Guys, check us out on Friday nights. Lucas Murphy Stocks and Entertainment goes live every Friday, religiously, faithfully, at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we talk for almost 2 hours about the stock market, and he will show you his portfolio, and he is killing it. But we like the drone stocks. Guys, you're going to see package delivery via drone very, very soon. And the time to grab some of these drone stocks, is now because most of them are under $10 and it's an amazing price. I have Alpine 4 Technologies, or I'm sorry, Alpine 4 Holdings, ticker symbol ALPP. I have Dragonfly, which is a OTC, but it's called Dragonfly with a A, DRAGANFLY. Look them up on Google. We have, of course, Ag Eagle Aerial Systems, UAVS. That's sitting around, it's at $6.11 now. You can see it on the left-hand side. Ag Eagle, baby. Ag Eagle all day long. They have a huge e-commerce partner, and when they release who that is, and people are all speculating it's Amazon, but when they release who that is, that stock is going to pop off. That's money in the bank right there. Get yourself some UAVS. You heard it from your girl, Nora, the Stock Explorer. Okay, Rasta, thank you for tuning in, my friend. Thank you so much, guys. Check out Rasta Stocks. Give him a subscribe. Very, very cool. He's like ASMR stock chat. I'm going to take a quick break. Go ahead and check his channel out while I'm taking a quick break. Rasta Stocks, all one word. Check him out. Peace, my brother. Thank you for watching. Guys, I'm going to take the doggos out. It'll be a couple minutes. Let me know in the chat section if there's anything that you want to look at or any stocks that you're buying this morning. Let me know what stocks you're watching this morning and we can check them out. We can check them out together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. AMC's up pre-market 1.57%. Oh, 1.75%. Nice. Nice. That's what we want to see. Where's my AMC hodlers at? Where's my AMC hodlers at? If you don't have it, guys, get it under $11. You know it's going way past $11, guys. Come on. Think about that. It was up near $30 pre-pandemic. People are chomping at the bit to go back to the movies. You don't think it's going to at least get back to 20? And then when the squeeze hits, that's like icing on the cake right there. I don't normally tell people to buy anything, but I think an AMC buy is money in the bank. Money in the bank. Think about that for a minute. How are you going to lose? There's so many synthetic shares. They created shares out of thin air because the hedge funds were shorting this stock. When they start to account for all these synthetic or fake shares, and they got to make good for all these deals, all these transactions, these digital transactions, AMC's gonna pop. I don't know how high. I can't tell you when to sell it, but I know she's gonna shoot up past $11. Come on, guys. You got to get on the AMC bus before she leaves the bus depot, okay? Come on. Think about it. You can be a freaking moron and figure that out, that it's gonna go well past what it's sitting at right now. Look, why do you think there's that pre-market action? I don't want you to miss out on money, guys. Money doesn't grow on trees, but this is money in the bank, and so is the Doge. Look at those 3 green candles. Pop, pop, pop. People love the Doge. All right, I'll be right back. that hooked up. I'll try to hook up the webcam for you guys so you can see my gorilla cookies. Turns on. If it turns on, well, let's see. If not, this shall respond to. Woo. Watch out. All right. Doge is holding real steady at that 30-cent mark, guys. That's pretty solid. Pretty solid support there for the Doge. Good morning, everybody. My name is Nora. I'm streaming from Orlando, Florida. Sitting here drinking my black coffee and watching the Doge. Oh, she's starting to move now. She's starting to move. She's hustling. Look at that. Look at that. She's getting hot. Getting busy here. Where's everybody watching from? What's up? What's up? If you're here, chat with me in the chat. And if you have any requests, drop that in the chat. Sorry, I was trying to get my webcam up and it is not cooperating at the moment. So we can just chat in the live chat. We can chat in the live chat. 31 cents. My price I got in on Binance is 19 cents a share. And yesterday I bought 1,000 Doge on my Robinhood and I got in for 29 cents. So I'm good. And then I'm going to wait for Saturday and let all this catalyst play out. But I'm holding long anyway, so it'll be fun, but it's not gonna be a reason for me to sell it. Just because Elon's coming on Saturday Night Live, I will enjoy watching that price action, and I might even live stream again. I might even do like a little watch party live stream on Saturday night so we can watch it together. Thank you for everybody watching. We got 4 watchers. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you. If you're in here, say hello. Don't be shy. Say hello. Thoughts on what Doge will hit today? Today I think if I had to guess, anywhere between 30 and 34 cents on a conservative basis. But best case scenario, it could go above 34 cents. But a lot of people are trying to buy the dip. So if she goes back down in the 20s, that's a buying opportunity. But if you're already maxed out your position, I think it could go between 30 and 34. I'm trying to be realistic. But then again, anytime a piece of news could come out, or say Coinbase announces that they're adding Doge to Coinbase, of course it's gonna spike. That would probably make it spike more towards 40 cents. I'm trying to be realistic. But yeah, for today, because it's Thursday, I would say between 30 and 34. And then I think on Friday, as we get closer to Saturday, you may see a lot more volume pour in. So that's what I think. What do you think, Jamar? What do you think this will go to today? I'm only adding to my position. There's no way I'm selling not one single share. Every time I sell my Doge, I do make money, but then I wish I had held it. I wish I had held on to it. So, I don't want to feel like that anymore, because I think there's just too many catalysts kind of waiting out there in the queue to make this thing really, really pop off. So I don't want to short myself and not be in it when this catalyst hits, whether it be the add to Coinbase, or Elon says, we're taking Doge to Mars or something like that. I want to be in it, and with, not just with a couple. Like, I want to have a nice significant position built out. But everybody's budget is different. Everybody's risk tolerance is different. You have to mind your risk tolerance. This is still, even though I believe in it fully, it's still considered a speculative investment, if you want to even call it an investment. It's very speculative. It is breaking new ground. It's going places it's never gone before. It's never really got this far to where, you got buzz about Amazon possibly adding Dogecoin as a payment method. Can you even imagine the catalyst that would be? And then that's not the only thing. And Mark Cuban is absolutely a brilliant businessman. Mark Cuban, if you've ever watched him on Shark Tank, this man I respect highly. And he's backing it. He was on the... I saw that clip. I didn't see it live, but I saw the replay. And she sounds like she's on board. I'm not going to lie. She totally sounds like she's on board. Not only that, but I think it would be smart for Ellen to do this, because of course she had some negative publicity as far as how she was treating her cast and crew and things of that nature. If she jumps on the Doge train and gets in with the celebrities that are pushing Doge, this could kind of help revive her brand and give her some positive press and some positive PR, so we can leave that other stuff, in the past. And I'm one for looking at the person and everything they've done for society and for our community, and I think Ellen has done way more good than bad. I try not to demonize anybody, But yeah, I think this would be great if Ellen were to jump on board, and I'm pretty sure she will. That was probably just a little teaser. I think it'll hit 34.36. Yeah, for sure. I'm holding through, so I'm waiting for the dip for sure. I'm holding, and if there's a dip, I'm loading more. Oh yeah, 24 cents. I could like go all in, cause wow. Yeah, less than a quarter, and this thing's going to $1. Guys, this is like first grade math. This is not hard to figure out that this is an amazing flip. This is an amazing play. Hey, horrifying. Do anyone have Omi? Oh yeah, I was looking at that. I'm just starting to check out a lot of the altcoins. I have Raven Coin, I have Orchid, and I have Litecoin, and those are the only 3 altcoins I have so far, and I picked them randomly only because I thought the names were cool. I know Orchid is a VPN, like if you want a private, you want a private internet connection, VPN, that's what that is based around. And then Ravencoin, I researched it and I can't even remember. I just like the name. I thought it was cool. But Omi, yeah, maybe I'll buy some Omi under 1 cent. You can't beat that. I mean, these altcoins are really amazing YOLOs if you want to YOLO some money. I don't think you should YOLO more than 1% of your portfolio or what you plan on allocating to your portfolio, 1%. But yeah, for sure. And it's funny because that's what we used to call my grandma when I was a little girl. We would call her Omi because she was from Germany, and that's what they call a German grandma. A little bit of trivia for you. So I like the name a lot. I might check that out. Thank you. I will check that one out. I'd like some stellar lumies too. I want to get some stellar lumens, or what people call the lumies, the stellar lumies. I think that's just a catchy name. That's affordable. Some of these altcoins are over $1,000 a coin. I'm like, what? I would just buy Bitcoin or Ethereum if I'm going to drop that kind of change. At least they're higher up on the food chain. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Some of these altcoins, I even forget their name. I was scrolling through just to kind of see what's out there to buy, and the prices were like, what? Yeah, no. I would just buy Bitcoin if I had that kind of money. But maybe a bunch of rich kids are throwing thousands of dollars around buying random altcoins, I guess. I will check that out. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's a sign. Yeah, I agree. That might be the sign. Check out the Omi. I don't think I can look that up. This is the chart that's up right now is Weeble. It's pretty, but I don't think I can't pull up anything but just a few of the cryptos on the Weeble chart. And I don't want to deviate from this too much because that's what my thumbnail says, the Dogecoin live chart. So we're just chatting over that. But there's a really good crypto website called CoinWatch or Coin, something like that, where you can look up the prices of all these coins. Let me see. I look it up on my phone. CoinWatch or CoinChart or something like that. Maybe one of you guys know. You can give me a hint. Crypto price charts. Let's see if it'll come up. Coin market cap. That's what I was kind of close. Coinmarketcap.com. Let's take a looky-loo. Let's take a peeky-weeky, as Trey says. Let's look up the OMI since you brought it up. OMI. Huh. It's not coming up on there. That must be an ultra altcoin. Hold on. Is it 0.006433? Does that sound right? It's saying Ecomi. Ecomi? Is that the one? Oh yeah, Ecomi. And then in parentheses it says OMI. 0.0064. I mean, it's down 0.27%. It's down a quarter of a point. Ranked 213, so it's near the top 200 altcoins. Might be worth a looky-loo. Thank you for the call out. I'll put that on my watch list for sure. I hope you make money on that. I think a lot of them are going to make money because you got to think, what are they going to be 1 year from now? What are they going to be 10 years from now? I don't think they're just, well, so let me back that up. Some of them, they might go away because they might not make it. They might not make it, you know what I mean? They might not gain that traction to actually make it. But I mean, if you're in the top couple hundred, I mean, you have a half decent chance of gaining that traction that you need. You know what I mean? You have a chance. And for less than a penny, buy 100, buy 1,000. Sure, that's worth it. I think it's worth a YOLO. As long as you don't go like, Okay, that's reasonable. 72,000. I mean, at that price, it's like, yeah, for sure. For sure. Good luck on that one. That's awesome. That is awesome. I gotta head out soon because I'm gonna go get my hair cut. I am way overdue. And it's starting to get hot here in Orlando. Summers aren't really, they're not something we look forward to because it gets god awful hot here. But the winters here are sweet. The winters are sweet. But I do miss all 4 seasons. I do miss the snow. I used to like to go out snow shoveling. That sounds crazy, right? But I used to like going out, talking to my neighbors, just kind of go out and bust a nice little workout, and then you come in, and you get some hot coffee or some hot cocoa, and you just like, yeah, you feel like you did something. Human beings, we're meant to be moving around. We're not meant to be sitting in one place staring at a computer screen, you know what I mean, guys? Don't forget to get out there and move your body. Take care of your body. Movement is everything. Got to get out there and move around. This stuff is great, but if you don't take care of yourself, we won't be here on this planet Earth to enjoy these tendies that we're making, right? Just a thought. I'm rambling now. I'm rambling on. But I think it's important, to have a balance. I don't always have the best work-life balance. I don't always stay mindful of that, and you should just kind of stay mindful of that, a tip for the day from your girl Nora, the Stock Explorer. Guys, if you haven't checked out my channel, please stop by and subscribe. I would appreciate that so much. I am a female YouTuber. There are plenty of financial female YouTubers, but not too many of them get a lot of attention. And we are out here, and we are out here with you guys. The Gorilla Gang, we're out here investing right alongside with you guys. And I'd appreciate if you would subscribe and help support my channel. I just passed 250 subs, so every milestone means a ton to me. Thank you so much for everybody out there that has subscribed. Every milestone means a huge deal. I'm building it slow, but I want to build an authentic community. I don't want people to just subscribe because I'm talking about AMC or GME, or just subscribe because I'm talking about Doge, and Doge is a hot thing for this week, and maybe we're on to something next week. I want to build a group of like-minded people, and I think I give some great stock advice as well. A lot of my call-outs have been winner chicken dinner. If you look back through my videos, I'm starting to get a good feel for this. But I am a student of the stock market. I am not a guru. And I never claimed to be a guru. I love meeting people, and I love talking about the stock market to any of you guys out here that are willing to listen. And thank you for listening to me. But I think I dropped some good gems of wisdom along the way. I'm not here to pump anything. I don't sell t-shirts. You don't have to watch ads. You just come on, watch my video, leave a comment. If you stop and watch the video, take a second and leave a comment, because it helps the algorithm. Helps the algorithm when you leave a comment. Helps push my videos out to more people. And real quick before I get going, I want to give a shout out to my friend and mentor, Peter DiCarlo. I want to give you a shout out. I just posted this in the ladies section of his Discord. Join the Academy for the first month. It's 90% off. You get access to the Discord, and check us out on the Discord for a full month for $10. You can't beat that, guys. If you want to learn how to trade and you want to get in a great community, it's one of the best communities out there. And his channel's not like Trey's Trades, where he got 200,000 subs in like less than 3 months. He is building his channel slow and steady, but Pete knows what he's talking about. If you want to learn the fundamentals and the psychology of trading, and I also try to help you guys with the psychology of the trading. We're not moving the market. The retail investors aren't really moving the market for the most part. We are following the flow of big money. And once you realize that, you start to hone in your skills as far as understanding market psychology. So I really enjoy that. Check out his channel, Peter DiCarlo, and I think he's dropping a third channel this week. And then he's going to Texas on vacation. Also check out Lucas Murphy. Check out my boy Rasta Stocks. He's a brand new channel, but it's like ASMR stock investing. He's real chill, laid back. If you just want a nice chill chat about the stock market, check out Rasta Stocks. Check out Trading with CJ. I like Disruptive Wealth Creation. Check out Dapper Dividends. Check out the Dividend Tree. Guys, some of these channels are amazing. These guys are really putting out some good content. And if I forgot, you guys just drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll give you a shout out for sure. And I'm gonna leave this running while I head out, but I will stay in touch with you guys on the chat, and I will leave this up so you guys can follow the Doge chart. And if there's something you guys want to chat about, we can chat in the live chat section. But I'm going to head out now. Guys, peace. Have a great morning. Trade responsibly. And I will be talking to you on the live chat. Peace. Hey guys, what's going on? I am back. For some more live stream action, live Q&A. I'm switched over to the trading view so you can see the ideas for Dogecoin on trading view. Let me see if I can get my camera working. My camera is not liking me today, so you can see my face. Let me try. Oh no, it's not wanting to. She's not wanting to come on. I don't know why. I don't know why. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so let's look back at the trading view chart. It's listed as a buy. I happen to agree. People have it long-term bullish. Bullish means it is projected to go up. See here where it says long and the arrow's up and it's green. Pretty intuitive, but some people may not know what bullish means. This here is definitely a bullish sign, but that was drawn out the end of last month, so it has gone past that point. So we want to look at the more recent ones on here, and the most recent one was drawn up on April 21st, and this is not my chart, but we can take a look at it. And it looks like on the high end they have it going up to 43 cents. And, you know, if it goes the other way, they have it going down to 22. Listen up. If it goes to 22, what? I'm loading up the boat. But these boxes are probably, you know, some consolidation ranges. These purple boxes are probably most likely where the highs and lows will be in the next few days. Up to 35, I think, is definitely more reasonable. Excuse me, I think that is more 35, 36, especially with the catalyst on Saturday night. I can see that happening for sure. So yeah, this seems like a pretty down to earth chart of Dogecoin. They have it, you know, these lines converging here, and it will probably, you know, bounce around within this wedge here. Hopefully have a breakout, but that's okay because some people are waiting for it to dip so they can buy some more shares. Thank you for sharing your chart, Jay Marin Pavia, on April 21st. But you know, these charts become outdated as we move forward. We are in the 29th of April, so looks like it pretty much, for the most part, did that. It's really consolidating here at this 30-cent point, which is good. When you see consolidation, that's good, because the longer it consolidates and kind of stays within this very narrow bracket here, when it does break out, it tends to break out stronger when it does happen to break out. This right here would be a breakout from this consolidation time frame, which was pretty long here, and then pow, up, boom. So yeah, what we want to wait for is that next big breakout up more towards a 40-cent range. 30 cents seems to be a very strong support right now. She just keeps kind of bouncing off that 30 cents. She's not really dropping below 30 cents for very long. But of course, this is supposed to be very volatile, so if it does, I would not be surprised. Guys, check out my other videos. I have links for Binance if you would like Binance. It's a broker. They're all over the world. They are the largest in the crypto space, even though Coinbase has gained a lot of media attention. I believe Binance has a lot more customers using Binance. And if you'd like the link, just check out a couple of my videos. I do have the link in the description of my videos, and you can click on that and get started with Binance.us. I'm in the US. I'm streaming from Orlando, Florida. For you guys in the UK, it may be Binance, .com, or you have to do more research. I'm really not keen on which one you guys would use. But in the US, you, instead of .com, you put Binance.us. Definitely check out some of my videos. I'll show you my video library here. I created a new playlist too for you guys that like to learn more about different companies. I have 45 different videos you can watch on different companies. It's somewhat of a deep dive into the fundamentals of the company and what they do, and what my thoughts are of how the company will move forward. However, it's not a full breakdown of financials, but there are YouTube channels where they do break down financials. There's Money Core. There's several finance channels where they will break down the financials of a company. That's really not my strong suit, and I will admit that. I'm more into market psychology and sort of more fundamental as far as my overviews of the companies, but this is good stuff. If you go in here and just hit play all, and you can just watch all of those. I have a couple in the new investor series for brand new investors, and then of course I have my new account challenge, which started in 2021 with $400, and I add $100 each week, and I update this weekly. I've been very consistent updating this weekly, and you can see what stock I buy each week for the entire year. And we've got a portfolio that's built out, and a lot of cool stocks you may want to put on your watch list on there. So yeah, definitely check that out. Okay, AMC sitting at 1052. Looks like she took a little bit of a fade. This is a great buy-in price if you're not already in AMC. I can't tell you what to buy, but a lot of people were looking to buy in closer to that $10 price point rather than closer to the $11 price point for that long-term hold, or for the squeeze, that everyone is speculating on, the squeeze that will happen. Always, stocks are inherently risky, but I think 1050 or below would be a fair buy-in, in my personal opinion. But don't listen to me. I'm just a girl that talks to a camera on YouTube, right? So don't listen to my advice. But I bought 100 more very early this morning. I forget my average price. It was less than $11, but I just felt good about it today. But this is an even better price. So if you're not in, something you may want to take a look at. Let's scroll down and see what they're talking about real quick. Looks like it's making a pennant. Like if you drew an imaginary line and connected the tops and the bottoms, it looks like it's coming to towards an apex, and it may break out. If you want to get in on some of that action, the technicals show it as a buy. 22 hours ago, this person, Crooked Tree Fintech, drew this chart out for AMC, and you can see that they have it. Same thing I was just saying, how it's kind of traveling within this wedge here. Let's see what they said. See what they're saying. AMC pulling back after breaking flag a few days ago with some price pressure right below the 60-day fib line on daily, bullish daily. So they're saying it is bullish. Looks like they've got it heading up here towards the $20 range eventually, but it's of course back here. So that's that. Thank you, Crooked Tree Fintech, for drawing out charts. I don't always draw out charts. Matter of fact, I don't really get too much into that because there's always someone on TradingView that drew a chart, and I can kind of tell you if I agree or disagree with that. But overall bullish, but you have to have a lot of patience. You can't freak out and keep jumping out of this. If you want it, I would get it and just diamond hand it. Personally, that's what I would do. That's what I would do. All right, let's go back to the Webull chart, and I have the 4 up here, so everybody that wants to keep an eye on a couple other stocks, we got Tesla, AMD, Dogecoin, and of course GME on there for you guys. Catching the replay. Thank you, Karen, for watching. Appreciate you so much. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That is my friend Karen. Thank you, Karen. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys watching. It helps a lot. For a smaller channel like myself, it helps if you just set this in the background on your phone or on your computer and let her run. It helps my channel. It helps with my view hours. I'm still building up my view hours. So, yeah. Which is very important in YouTube land. Very important. Well, it depends what your goal is. But my goal is to build a channel, of course. So, yeah. The more people watching, the better. Appreciate you guys. If you're here, give me a holla. Definitely comment in the comments section for me. I got Dogecoin price in the upper right hand corner, so you guys can watch that highlighted there. And then there's a couple other charts that you can look at. AMD looks like it's ready to blast off into outer space right now. Looking really good. Looking, actually, out of all of these, I think that would be a nice day trade or a nice swing trade. Look at that candle building up right here on the AMD right there. Looking juicy, looking juicy, looking juicy. I bought 15 shares of AMD yesterday. It was kind of pricey, but I felt good about it. You know, after great earnings come out, Lisa Su, she's an amazing CEO. Great earnings come out, and then there's a sell-off. It makes no sense. It's that sell the news phenomenon, which really does not make sense. And then a lot of times you'll find the next day, people start coming back to their senses like, oh, hey, AMD is a really great company. Let me get some shares of that. But same thing happened with Tesla. Tesla smashes earnings, and it dumps like 2% or something like that. And then, of course, the next couple days, it starts to recover, which is what we're seeing right here. This is what we're seeing right here with Tesla starting to recover again. I don't know what that is. What did I do? Did I mess it up? I'm messing up, guys. I'm messing everything up. I'm sorry. Restore. Oh God. I need to stop messing with it. I need to stop messing with it. I'm not an expert at all the different platforms. I use Robinhood. Actually, I'm rather decent on Robinhood, but I can't say I'm an expert on the Webull yet. And I also use TD Ameritrade, which you will see in my new account challenge, and I'm definitely not an expert on that either. But I know the basics, and I like the charting software, and of course it's free. You don't have to put money in it to use the charting software or to download it and get used to it and learn it. There's so much free information on YouTube, guys, that you can take advantage of for free. So, and if you're a student, go ahead to the to your campus library or your online student library, and go ahead and check out some trading books. They're on there for you guys to check out, like the ebook versions for free. If you guys are students, that's an amazing resource. You don't have to go on Amazon and buy these books, unless of course you like you like to hold a book in your hand and turn the pages, and you like the feel of it. Some people like that whole experience, but just from a learning perspective, you can get a lot of books from your campus or school library for free. Just do a search for investing, stock market investing, day trading, personal finance, that sort of thing, and you will find some really good titles on there. Yas. Alright. Doge seems to be holding steady like a boss at that 30-cent range. She is not on the budge, which is good because it's probably going to break out to the upside because of this longer time frame where she's just kind of consolidating at 30 cents. If you're not in, I would get in. If you don't have 1% of your portfolio in anything speculative, I would highly recommend getting Dogecoin, but I like it, so I am a bit biased as far as that's concerned because I happen to like it. But I'm guessing that you guys clicked on my video because you guys also like Dogecoin. I'm hoping that you are... Oh, you got some more Dogecoin, Rasta Sock. Sweet. For sure. Sometimes you gotta average up, but you'll be real happy when this, if and when, I think it's more of a when, it starts blasting off towards $1. 30 cents is not gonna be a bad buy-in price when she starts to hit her rocket boosters. It's not gonna be a bad price at all. Which one of these stocks in the stock market is gonna 3x your money? We don't know, right? We don't have a crystal ball. We don't know that. We can speculate, we can look at the charts, and we can kind of try to figure it out, but at the end of the day, nobody really knows, right? But I think Doge is going to do that a lot faster than if you put your money in, say, Neo, even though I like Neo very much. Neo's great. That was just an example. How long would it take for Neo to 3x from today? And then compare that to Dogecoin and how long it's going to take Dogecoin to 3x from today. Because of social media, the momentum and the power of social media, I think Dogecoin has a higher likelihood of 3xing for you quicker than a lot of even your top of the line stock picks. Just something to think about. Something to think about. Just something to think. Thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I'll probably wrap this live stream up around 11. And then I may come back on tomorrow morning for some chat. Same time frame. Maybe I'll hop on around, not sure, maybe 8:30 or so. I'll hop on for a little while and let this run. You guys can put some requests in. I do have TradingView, so if you have any stocks that you would like to look at on TradingView, put them in the comments of this live stream, or wait till tomorrow and let me know what you want to have a look at, and we'll slide on over to TradingView and check it out. It's got everything on there you would want to know, market cap, all the little nitty gritty of any stock you're looking at, and of course the charting with the different price predictions, long-term bearish, long-term bullish, etc. Right. So yeah, so guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I'm gonna wrap it up for today, since this was my first time. If you have any comments or suggestions on how to make this better, definitely leave that in the comment section. Thank you guys so much. Please go to my channel and watch a few videos, like and subscribe, show your girl some love, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.